Does WD-40 actually work to remove super glue effectively?
Hello, everyone. In today's discussion, we're diving into an intriguing household query. The question at hand: does WD-40 work to remove super glue effectively? Super glue is known for its potent binding power, but every now and then, it ends up where it shouldn't be. Luckily, we're here to explore the potential solution that is WD-40.
What is WD-40?
Let's first get to know our protagonist better. WD-40 is a popular, versatile product found in many homes and garages. Originally designed to repel water and prevent corrosion, it's a blend of lubricants, corrosion inhibitors, and cleaning agents. Its cleaning properties make it useful for a variety of tasks, but today we'll focus on its ability to combat super glue.
Can WD-40 remove super glue?
The short answer is yes, it can. WD-40 can indeed be used to remove dried super glue from a range of surfaces. This is because WD-40 is able to dissolve and break down the strong adhesives in super glue. However, it's important to mention that effectiveness can depend on factors like the amount of glue, the type of surface, and the dwell time of the WD-40.
How do I use WD-40 to remove super glue?
Let's get into the how-to. Start by applying a small amount of WD-40 on the super glue. Allow it to sit for a few minutes to break down the adhesive bonds. Afterward, you should be able to wipe or gently scrape off the glue. Remember to always test a small, hidden area first to ensure the WD-40 won't damage the material you're working on.
Are there any risks?
It's worth noting that while effective, WD-40 may not be the best solution for all surfaces. For example, it might discolor or stain certain plastics or fabrics. And, of course, it's oil-based, so it could leave a residue that needs further cleaning. Always take caution and, when in doubt, consult a professional or try a less risky method. In conclusion, yes, WD-40 can be a helpful tool to remove super glue in a pinch. But like any tool, it's important to use it wisely and with care. We hope this video has been illuminating and aids you in your future household hacks. Stay unsticky, friends.